In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a skull. For a more detailed explanation of the steps involved in this skull drawing, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com. There's a link provided in the description below. Begin the drawing of a skull by drawing a circle. This circle will be the cranium of the skull. Our drawing will be from the 3/4 view, so we need to draw a curved line down from the top of the circle. This line will be the middle of the skull. Next, draw another curved line around the front of the circle. This will be the eye line. Now we'll use the structure that we drew in the first step to draw the shape of the lobes that will hold the eyes. These are simply angular ovals. Be sure to draw them on the eye line. You should also define the bottom of the skull in this step. Do this by drawing an angular line like the one in the drawing down around the front of the face. At this stage of the drawing, you'll want to draw the nose of the skull. The nose of the skull is simply an angular triangle. Use the long line that you drew in the first step as a guide to see where you will put the nose shape. You'll also want to define the bottom jaw line and decide where the top of the teeth and the bottom jaw will meet. Now you can draw the teeth. Draw the teeth a little bit larger than you think they should be. Since the teeth are on a skull, there's no skin to cover them up, so they will naturally look larger. Define the back end of the skull in this stage by bringing the end up underneath the bottom jaw. You can also add some broken lines around the surface of the skull in order to make the skull look a little bit more realistic. Now you have enough information to finish all of the lines. You may choose to finish your drawing as just outlines. If you do, be sure to add a variety of lines to give your drawing a bit more interest. You may decide that your drawing needs a bit more shading to make it look more realistic. If so, add a bit of shading with pencil, ink, or watercolor. Be sure to think of your light source and keep your shading consistent. And that's it. That's how easy it is to draw a skull. Please visit howtodrawstuff.com for more step-by-step tutorials like this one.